Hi and welcome to Laser Gadgets. Today, looks like a laser rifle because it's a laser rifle. Stand, lights up. Looks a bit like something that's charging the mag of the laser, and that's the laser rifle. Also, you can't see that. I'll show you later. That's a battery indicator built in. Only 75% left. In the thingy up here, actually typical colors, yellow hoses. I have now used them all up, by the way. Yellow stripes, blue lights, because client wanted blue lights, so I guess blue lights. One green one. The battery sits in here. Battery indicator up there. Bit of writings here and there. I really like the design. And now, before I rant even more, now we have some gold here also, not just yellow colors. I should mention that. And now let's take it off there and burn something. Laser glasses, where are you? There. Here. Have a roll. Much safer. And I said it once, I say it again. Bags are my favorite victims. I've set the focus to a bit farther away, so it's not properly focused to don't burn. Good boy. Smoke rising is always a good sign. Sometimes I'm really dorky. No. I was like, oh my god, it's so powerful and it's empty. No. I think it looks nice in there, and it makes kind of sense. So, battery indicator. And that's it for today, you crazy laser people. Up next, I have no idea. I'm so busy. I'm probably gonna say this a lot of times because I'm really busy. I don't know what to do first. Waiting for material for this, waiting for material for that. So I have no idea. I'm making several swords of all kind. I have no idea what comes first on YouTube, this or the sword. So stick around, stay tuned, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. Hey! Well, actually, it's hey, you know what I mean. And I see you guys next time.